This is BB Ventures Arts. I'm here to train you how to make a fascinator base without molding. We need fascinator mold. You need a yard of pre-test paper mat. You need a cup that you are going to put on it, your wax candle, wool gum, needle and thread, because I'm going to use the same pre-test paper mat to design it. To cut the base, if you have a yard pre-test paper mat, you fold it into two like this to cut your base. But if you have it half, that means you place the two on each other like this. You place your mold on top of it. Then you can take your pen or your pencil to draw it out. Then you cut out. Please, you have to leave a space when you are cutting to put your wire. You can see it. I've cut the two round. And the reason for the second one is for the fascinator to be able to have weight. That is why we are going to join two together. Then you take your wool gum to gum the center, put the mat together like this. I've gummed the two paper mat together. Then take your wire, place it on top of it. The wire that will size the base. Then you put your wool gum around the wire and the paper mat. You can see what I'm doing around like that. Then you fold it from here. You can see it. Fold it around like this. Gum the wire around. Now you can see the base. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cut the center. You can get your blade, your razor blade, to cut the center so that this one can fit inside. You can see it. Then take your scissors and make a cut at the round space like you are making full art. Don't let the cutting be too much. The reason for this, so that our fascinator cup can enter it. That's why we are cutting this place round. You can see it. Then this one fits in. Now to fit this cup inside, take your wool gum. Put your wool gum around the cup like this. After that, place it on it like this, then turn it. Place the cup and begin to use your hand to gum it inside the fascinator cup like this. And turn it. You can see the base. Now I'm going to design it. You take your paper mat. Let me create a cone. The size of this paper mat is 7.5 by 7.5. You fold it in a triangular form like this. Then take your wool gum. Put your wool gum around the paper mat. Then fold it like this. Then fold it like this. Place it on each other. You can make like 2 or 3 to design it. Make 2 cones. Then lastly, I'm going to make a big bow. Fold it in a triangular form like this. Fold it in and then fold it together again. Then take your needle and thread. Then sew it. Make hemming to the end. Join your design together. Then take your fascinator cup. Then join the design on it. Tack the design on it. Close at the middle. Your rose at the middle. Then turn the back. Use your bias to round this place. Put your Alice band and put your bias. See, you can see the hearts without molding. I put the bias inside and to cover the wire and the inside of the base. See the design? Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.